Okay, I'm sat in the caravan on my holidays. I brought some sewing with me to do. This one's a coltit, so I thought I'd just, as I've got 5 minutes on my own, do a quick video on how I produce it. Hope you like it. So as you can see, I drew the design on in heat erasable pen, and I'm just doing some short little satin stitch, following that bit round, and this bit's going to be black as well, and then this in the middle is white. So I'm just doing the black at the moment. I can't quite get the camera angle to be able to hold it and show you as I'm doing it, unfortunately. Just going to see if this angle works. I'm holding it from the back, so I can't quite see properly where I'm going with my needle. So I've got that far. That's just with a strand of cotton. I'm using two strands of DMC thread, and that took me about 3 minutes to do that little bit. I'm now going to start and work up over the head here in black. I'm going to leave some of the edge a bit ragged because it does have some white bits of fluff coming out the top of its head, so I'm going to leave some white bits there, and I'm going to add the white in here. So that's my progression so far. So working away across the head, I'm doing what they call long and short stitches. This will help when I put the next row in to come down and join it, because it will help it to look more like feathers.